Hey y'all, I'm Angie. Welcome to my channel where I do stuff. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing fossils from In-Stone Fossils. This is not affiliated. It's not sponsored. I bought this with my own money for a Christmas gift for someone. So we're going to be getting a first look at this. I did open it, but I haven't gotten into it. So we're going to do that now.
Hey, Editing Angie here. I wanted to pop in real quick and apologize for this video. I realized that the audio is horrible because it was filmed in an empty house, so it was echoey. I also realized that the voiceover only is a little awkward and that this video just in general does not fit my normal style. Sorry. I am in between two places right now. So my laptop goes with me everywhere, but unfortunately it is not powerful enough to run the video editing software, or, you know, even just the computer in general is painfully slow. So, I have to wait till I get back to my desktop. It's not going to be like this forever, but, it is for right now. And I wanted to give y'all a long form video because I know a lot of y'all don't like YouTube shorts. And that is a valid complaint. So I wanted to give y'all something else besides the shorts that I have been posting as of late. But have no fear, everything will get back to normal programming very soon. Thank you for watching and sticking around.
And I will leave all of the information about the fossils and In-Stone Fossils Company in the description box below. So make sure you check that out. And so I have a little thank you note with their contact information. They're in Wyoming. And then I got another little note about unboxings, which we're doing that. And then this is the invoice with all of my personal information on it. So had to blur that out. I didn't think ahead. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, so they send, or at least during like their Black Friday, I don't know if they do it all the time, a little free gift with purchase. And this says it's a Conus marilandicus from the Pliocene in Florida. So if you watch my videos at all, then you would know that this looks very similar to the Conus shells that I find from the Eocene and the Brazos Valley. And I also know from watching Wild Kyle videos that it's possible that there could be some UV reactivity if we get a black light on this. So that would be kind of interesting to see. Always love free stuff. Thank you very much. And so this is the main attraction here. Now, this came from the Green River Formation, so you may already know, if you know anything about it, what this may be. I'm the kind of person I typically like to buy, or I typically like to find my rocks and fossils instead of buying them. But this is one of those things where I just don't know that I will ever make it up to Wyoming to find my own. And this is a very, very common, and the fossil, I kind of feel like this is indicative of Green River Formation. You know, when people think about it, this is what they think of. So and it is a beautiful specimen of two Knigtias. Don't even know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. But this is from the Eocene, Green River Formation from the In-Stone Fossils Quarry. This particular family has an estimated 50 modern freshwater species. They can lay as many as 200,000 eggs at once, allowing species to multiply quickly. Modern species are also prone to mass die-offs. And I'm trying to remember who it was that I watched a video from. I can't remember off the top of my head, but he was looking for these and talked about, he was a paleontologist. He was going through the explanation of why these were so easy to find in that particular area. This is the most common fish found from Fossil Lake. It's the most commonly found articulated vertebrate fossil in the world, and this is the Wyoming state fossil. So I just need to get a little stand for it. But yeah, I absolutely love this. I would love to thank the team over at Instone Fossils because they had a wonderful sale going on, and that's what allowed me to get these, and I'm thrilled. So just a shout out to them and a recommendation from me now that you've seen the specimens that I received. Yeah, so anyway, I guess that wraps it up for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then I hope you'll consider subscribing. I realize that this is a little bit different because you ain't seeing my face, and it's real echoey, and you've never seen this background before. Things are changing at the Angie Does Stuff Studios, and so things are going to be a little sporadic for the next few weeks, but I thank you for hanging in there and waiting it out with me. Things will return back to a better state of normal here very soon. So anyway, keep an eye on the community tab. If you are not yet subscribed, if you do that, then you will get all of my little updates. The community tab, if you're subscribed, I say it's kind of like almost a Facebook post. But I have Facebook too, I just don't use it quite as much. So stay up to date with what's going on here, and I will see y'all really soon. I would love to see you back here next week when I do more stuff. Bye.